I'll wait for this van to go past. Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. Seen in the last video, been getting a lot of work done on this. Waiting for a part to turn up, so I'm going to get it cleaned. Get a good wash, sort it all out, over the inside and things like that. Weather's not too bad. I don't think it's freezing just quite. So before it does get too cold, give it a bath, give it a wash off, get rid of all the green bits around the gaps. The rear wiper looks like it's got its own ecosystem going in it. So give it a good wash off, get a clean inside, and hopefully it'll be up for sale soon. Right, that's it clean. Wasn't horrendous. It was more in the door shuts and the door openings. So all this door frame here was just covered in mud. I've just noticed that bit there I missed. Yeah, got ya. So next job is give it an hoover out. Give it an hoover out and clean the dashboard up. It's not horrendous anyway, just bits. It's better now I've got the old mats out. The driver's side footwell needs a bit more obviously. So I'll get the hoover out and we'll have a go at that. If I had the brake pipe, it'd be on its wheels and ready to go now, but it's not. There you go. Need to do a bit more work on these vents because there's a bit of fluff in there and muck, but carpet's come up alright. I've not even put the mats in yet. Seats could do with a vax. We'll see what they're like when they dry. Just give them a quick scrub over now. Driver's side footwell was really bad. It's actually come up quite well. All the centre console is not full of chips anymore because there's a chip in this as well as the Cougar. Back seats underneath, all done as you saw. Found a quid in there, but it's in the hoover because I didn't notice it until it had gone. Just need to do the boot once I put the mats in out of the way. But I think that's come up really well. As I say, it wouldn't hurt to have a vax over the seats or a bit of upholstery cleaner and a quick scrub. There's a few marks like, but it's come up really well. So I'll get the mats in and then do the boot. Alright, before my battery goes flat, you can't really see a lot. The mats are in there. So it makes a big difference for not a lot of money. I think they were like 12 quid, 13 quid or something like that. And they got like proper clips in there, so they clip onto the floor. They just, first thing you do when you open the door, you see a car you're selling, it looks like that. And then they don't notice bits like that. Nah, he makes them look a lot better. I've gone underneath the back seats, if you've seen, I've cleaned that spare wheel well, except it's not a spare wheel well, it's a plastic tray well. Because it doesn't have a spare wheel. Yeah. Or anything for that matter. I suspect it should have a aerosol kit, or foam kit with a little aerosol can or something like that. But I didn't bother filming me hoovering that. I figured 20 minutes and watching me back wouldn't have been that interesting. Just need to check this. Yeah, I forgot about that because you can't see it. Give that a quick hoover, and then barring that pipe and a polish, we're done. So yeah, looking a lot better. Bit of polish on it, it'll be fine. It doesn't actually look too bad anyway. But the interior has come up really well. That's the main thing on it, because it was pretty grubby. All the mechanical faults are done. All the repair work's done. All the grotty bits are done. It's now clean. New tyres. Yeah, just need to drive it, test it, and sell it. So if anybody wants one, you've seen where it is, you've seen what it's like, give us a shout. My email for the channel is on my homepage. It's mechanicgarage@hotmail.com, I think it is. So it's easy enough to do. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll get this one out, and hopefully we'll have something more interesting at the weekend. Thanks very much. Cheers.